All right, now for inserting a video. You don't want to just put in a link because then it goes to YouTube. It's just trickier. You want to put it right into your slide presentation. So what I've done is, again, found a dog video on YouTube. So what I'm going to do is copy the link. And then on my Google slide presentation, I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to choose Video. And so I'm once again going to choose by URL. And then this will put the video right into my presentation. It'll embed it right there as opposed to having a link. But now I told you I wanted to play at a certain spot. So what you can do is you go up here where it says Format Options, and then you choose exactly where you want it to play. So maybe I want it to play from 5 seconds to 4 minutes. You can choose that. And now it'll play only that section of the video when you do your presentation, which is just a lot smoother, less downtime, that kind of thing. All right, now there's this couple things that on a Google slide presentation that you can insert into it that I think makes it look really official and kind of fancy. So a graph. So let's just say you want to insert a pie graph that shows your data about something that you have been studying, or if you're giving a presentation for something else, whatever else you want to show. You'd go to Insert, and then you do Chart, and there's all different ones. Let's just say I want to do a pie chart. All right, it'll kind of insert a random old pie chart. You see down here at the bottom left, it'll say Edit in Sheets. So I click this, and it pulls up a corresponding Google Sheet that you can edit. And what will happen is once you edit your Google Sheet, it'll automatically change your pie chart that you just inserted into your Google slide. So instead of Team 1, I wanted to say dog. And for this, I wanted to say cat, and so on and so forth. And you can see it's already changing on here. And if I change this to be 2 and this to be 35 or 67, whatever, it automatically changes it. So when I go back to my Google slide presentation, you see here it says Update. And so when I update it, there it is. Just like that, you can easily insert a really official, fancy looking graph to actually show your numbers in a really, really easy way. All right, and the final thing I'm going to show you is what I call my fancy chart. All right, same thing, makes you look really nice and official. So what I would do here, instead of insert chart, I'm going to insert diagram. There's all these kind of pre-made templates that you can choose from. So if I choose this one, which is like a process, maybe I want to do 4 steps instead of 3. And I put this one in here, and there you go. And you can easily customize this to say, dogs are awesome. I think people are going to think I'm obsessed with dogs. But anyway, so you can totally customize this to be whatever you want to do, and then you have this really nice kind of looking diagram in your presentation. So there we go. Those are 6 things that you can do short and simple to really beef up and make your Google slide presentation look top notch. All right, thank you very much for listening.